nice. This is chapter 3. It is his last chapter about theory of VirtualBox. In this class, we will talk about requirements for installation of the virtualization tool. You need a computer with internet access for download the applications and files for classes. Your operating system can be Windows, Linux, or Mac OS 64-bit. Your CPU gotta have AMD or Intel VTX function. You gotta check this function enabled in your build setup. 4 GB RAM, but I recommend 8 GB RAM, 60 GB of disk space free.